Hey, Dan Westfall, Client Focused Financial here. So, being that tax season ends here next Monday, April the 15th, that's your last day to file your taxes, I want to talk to you about withholdings for taxes. So, a lot of people, I get the question from people of, I want to get more back in my tax refund, or my tax return, which when I hear that kind of makes me cringe a little bit because if you don't understand what getting a tax refund means, basically it means that you gave your money to the government for the last year, you got 0% return on that money, and they're now just giving it back to you when you're filing your taxes. So one thing that you could do would be changing the withholdings on your taxes. So this would be, your W-4, depending on what your income is, dependents, a lot of different variables go into it. I'm going to put a link in this post to an IRS page that helps you figure out what your withholding should be. So that way you can better, calculate really what your withholding should be. So that way, ideally, you're not getting as much back, meaning that you're getting more in your paycheck each week. Because if you were getting more in your paycheck each week instead of getting a tax refund back at the end of the year, if you just took the same amount that you were just giving away as a free loan to the government and invested it in something, you'd do a lot better on that. So even if you put it in something super conservative like a treasury or something guaranteed and backed by the government. So that'd be a lot better place to put your money. So if you have any specific questions about this stuff, I'm not an accountant, but when it comes to investing and financial planning, there's a lot better things that you could do with your money than just give it away to the government for a year and then just get back what you gave to them with no interest made. You should be making interest on your money, not somebody else. So if you have specific questions, feel free to DM me, call me, whatever works best for you. Be more than happy to have a conversation with you about your specific situation. So until next time, I appreciate you taking the time to check me out.